Thank you so much for everything.
Pleasure. Thanks for staying, guys. We'll see you in all
Next
of
time.
your...
Next year.
Yeah, when we come to your house.
Or when you come to Kurdistan.
Kurdistan.
وحافظي ماله هسه كمان كردو برای كوتين بو نان خواردن ميروسلاف ومريم ما جهشت
You're coming.
I'm coming with my baby.
I'm coming. How was the breakfast?
Fantastic. Amazing.
Magnificent.
Awesome.
American. Send this to America.
Hello, I'm full now. استناني بالي ما خوات. تيروين. يستشى قرينا بو. I'm so excited. Finally, the Serbia couple
ميروسلاف وماريا سفر يعني كرت الأول مانجان بو مطار
So these guys are leaving now. I'm so excited and so happy. Finally. Yeah, awesome. Oh, take care. Come. My brother. Hakuna Matata. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.
أوان قرانو بو صربيا أو سيانش مان قرانو بو كيب تاون
أول سعرة كمان قرأنا وا رايد حكونا أول شيء سعرة قاعد بزان عيبها يعني Tell them wait for us, we're gonna join you.
Please wait for these two guys here. They're coming.
What about you?
I'm happy home.
So unfortunately now it's time to say Hafiz, goodbye. Come on, give me a hug. Take care. And always what?
Hakuna
Hakuna
Matata.
Matata. See you where? See you in Dar es Salaam,
Yeah.
Tanzania.
Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
سيسيلياش قراو بو تنزانيا
Safe travels.
Yeah.
We'll see you
Hope
back.
I'll see you.
Hakuna
Don't cry.
Matata.
Hakuna Matata and don't cry. Be happy.
Yeah, like now I'm so
سري تيبل ماونتين كان شنجوانا. أو حول بس اليوم. بيوتي تيبل ماونتين واتا شكا باشي سروي لا شوي ميزة يعني راكا بتمام قاتك يا افريقي بكرم لبري كان بلعم قالتم بيانا كان بابشان تنبم اما اللي معمر قذافي يا قلبي تعمل شتي ولا بركة سيرو حتى كان
هاتين بو ناوتي وودستوك لكيب تاون بو كاوت سيرفينج ميتينغ
ام كافتريا زور جوان دروستراوا اما شوني بيتزا كان It's a pizza margherita fine. Get ready. فكري شوني بيتزا كيف مشويها ام ساري هنا اشتكى شيء درس
You're not getting a tattoo done, or you're waiting for someone?
Welcome to Cape Town!
Hi, I'm Melanie. I'm from South Africa.
I'm Daphne. I'm from America.
Raymond from the United States.
Rupert from, I think, South Africa. Zé from Portugal.
Kathy from Switzerland.
Lara from Cape Town.
João from Brazil.
Badr Khan from Kurdistan.
Aaron from Canada.
Hey, I'm Rich and I wish I was from Kurdistan, but I'm from South Africa.
My brother! لە کۆبنەوەی کاوچ سێرفنگم زۆرم پێ خۆش بوو کاتێککە هەرێکی ئەبێ خۆی پێناسە بکەم لە خەڵکی کوێ کەوتم خەڵکی کوردستانم زربەی زۆریان زاریە. So this is the first one. So tell me, what do you know about Kurdistan?
I only know that they're having a vote very soon because, you know,
Hopefully,
for the past, millennia, they've been trying to have a republic, and the Iraqi government and the Turkish government have not wanted them to have that. Yes.
And this is it. What about you? What do you know about Kurdistan?
Do we need any chili or
It is a yet-to-be country
Hopefully.
of a very old,
or knives and forks?
with a very, very old culture. I've always lived there, with what nowadays is Syria, Iraq, Turkey, and Iran, in that area.
So high five for you.
You got it good, yes.
High five for you too. High
High
five.
five, yes.
make it
أوه مجموعة فاضل من داون كذا.
They sell a
ئەمەش بەشی مەشروب حەزەکەیانە وان لێرە کۆکتێلی شتوات میسەکەن.
Guy from Musenberg brewing on it. So in our share or in the back end of our business, there can be at least up to 4 people on a share. What is a share? And then the guys can brew at least once a week. There's a fridge. Now I need to close the door because it affects my temperature. Seriously guys, let's get in here.
واو زور ساردة. أما يسألناو شو نيك مشروب تيا حاضر كان زور ساردة شو كان فريزرنا.
So we won't be long in here, but our cold room is the beauty of and the heartbeat of our place. This allows me to do what I can do with the selection I have. Each color bag represents a brewer or a style of beer, and that's how I knew tonight when this one was finished, I could replace it with one, and we kind of keep track on taps and carbonization cues. I mean, there's a shitload of people using the equipment, and it's clamps. We run the temperature levels. These are boiler pots, so there's gas going on there. And then we run it off a software system and some photos. And then I'm done with you. And
So ladies and gentlemen, this is live. Oh, what? Really?
Okay, guys, this is especially for
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for interrupt. The cow surfing meeting. Now,
special entertainment for South Africa.
welcome to Africa. No.
لە ناوڕاستی میتینگەکە لە پڕکاسیاری پۆلیس هاتن و ڕیان لەم سیارەیە گرت و نەفەرەکانیان داگرت و تەفتیشیان کردن.
This is our reporter from New York.
represent Harlem. All the same.
There's a total recording. Recording, give a hand. There we go, like
Kurdistan
that.
and South Africa.
Like that. And then push on the thumb, snap the thumb. Snap the thumb. Snap the thumb. There we go. You want to do that again? Let's try that again. There we go. Oh.
گەڕاینەوە بۆ هەستڵەکەمان.
Welcome to Cape Town Backpackers, Ben and Aaron. It's a pleasure having you stay with us. I wish you a wonderful journey in Cape Town.
أما بيدكي أم شوما طبعا أم جولي من دبيليتيا أبين وكو أبين هم خلق كان اشتكاني خوان بجي هشتوا لسر سقا بشتيان بجي هشتوا أمرو قوري كان مشت عشان باخذ تلميذنا من قوري باي ترتيبات وفاني لك ايش مشت ورجع باكر ما كرة جورا كم
لە کاتی گەشتکردن هەزناوی بێن بەکارهێنم لە بەرەوەی ئاسانترا بۆ بیانەکان جوانترین و پیرۆستترین شت هەڵای وڵاتەکەمە.
There you go.
Country number 197 Republic of Kurdistan.
Yeah! Kurdistan! Woo!
شەوتان شاد لە ئەفریکاوە.